Hi guys, here we are at Rowston Level Crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go. Now, the time is 17:39 on Thursday the 4th of September 2014. And this is for the 1742 2 75 East Midlands train service from Lincoln Central from Leicester to Sleaford. I might be able to stay for the 604. So you might see 3 in this today. This is video 2. Here she is. One 156. And they have the vibrating tracks. Honey's getting ready to strike at the train. See? 156413 to Sleaford. 156413 to Sleaford, and up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.